In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Outlook 2019 with a Microsoft 365 or Exchange account. If you want to start sending and receiving work email through Outlook 2019, the setup process is usually very quick and straightforward. Outlook is designed to detect Microsoft 365 and Exchange accounts automatically. So, in most cases, you only need to enter your sign-in details and then follow the on-screen instructions. To begin, open Microsoft Outlook 2019 on your computer. If this is your first time launching Outlook, you may immediately see the Welcome or Account Setup screen. If Outlook has already been used before, you can still add your account from the Setup area when prompted. Once the Setup window appears, look for the field where you can enter your email address. Carefully type in your Microsoft 365 or Exchange email address. Make sure it is entered correctly, because even a small typo can prevent Outlook from finding the right server settings. After that, continue to the next screen and enter your password when asked. As always, be sure to enter your password privately and accurately, especially if you're setting this up on a shared or office computer. From there, simply follow the prompts displayed on your screen. Outlook will usually begin checking your account information and automatically configure the connection for you. Depending on your organization's security settings, you may also be asked to approve a sign-in request, complete multi-factor authentication, or confirm that you want this device to access your account. If that happens, just continue through each prompt until the process is complete. During setup, Outlook may take a moment to contact Microsoft 365 or the Exchange server and apply the correct mail settings. This is normal, so give it a little time. Once everything is verified, Outlook should finish creating your profile and begin syncing your email, calendar, and other account data. After setup is complete, allow Outlook a few moments to download your mailbox. If you have a large inbox or a slower internet connection, the first sync may take a bit longer. Once the sync is done, you should be ready to use your account normally in Outlook 2019. And that's it. Open Outlook, enter your email address and password, and follow the prompts on screen to complete the setup. If something doesn't work right away, double-check your sign-in information and try again, since most setup issues are caused by simple typing errors.